is my distinct honor to welcome you on this occasion of the launch of the book authored by Azhar Aziz. Rupa dan Gaya Busana Melayu represents the culmination of her lifetime work on this heritage of the Malay civilization that has transcended generations. In 2014, the initiative was taken to produce the English edition. The journey has taken almost 10 years. The motivation to translate her work was to share more extensively this rich Malay cultural heritage, including with the international community.
Pihak UKM ingin mengucapkan setinggi-tinggi penghargaan kepada Yang Berbahagia Tan Sri Zeti Aziz dan Teta Publication atas kesudian berkolaborasi dan bekerjasama dengan UKM dalam penerbitan kedua versi buku ini. Indah berhias kerongsang suasana, disemat di kebaya kain anyaman. Busana tradisional Melayu, warisan bangsa. Kita memertabatkannya agar kekal merentas zaman.
Today, we gather for a truly momentous occasion that intertwines two significant milestones. The launch of the English edition of Rupa dan Gaya Busana Melayu and the announcement of the Merdeka Textile Museum. Songket dan batik berbenang emas jadi bingkisan anak pendeta. Busana cantik, seninya kemas, jadi warisan kebanggaan kita.
Songket limar, awannya cemerlang, pakaian raja zaman dahulu. Tuan laksana, bulan mengambang, cahayanya menusuk ke dalam kalbu.